Hi, welcome to Top 5 Trending. Today we have a very special video for you. So for this video, we have selected some of the most famous shows and we'll be dividing them into different tiers.
So these are the 5 categories that we'll be placing the shows into. Starting from evergreen, the shows that will stay with you forever, down to trash, the shows that you must stay away from.
So stay tuned with us to witness a lot of arguments which I am sure will happen.
Definitely. And this list will be purely based on our opinion and you can be your own judge. So we have prepared placards for our tier categories and this is the first time that we will be revealing what we feel about the show to you and to each other.
Also, none of this is scripted. You will get 100% original arguments unlike Bigg Boss.
You don't tell me what to do.
I can tell you what
you
to do.
You do not tell me what to do. You do not tell me what to do.
Or what? Are you going to hit me?
Do you want it?
I don't want it.
Because you're asking for it. You're dying for it. Get off my back.
So without any further delay, let's get started.
So the first show on the list is American Vandal. This show is about two high school students attempting to solve the mystery behind the pranks going on in their high school. Although this show is fictional, but after you start watching it, you will realize how real it looks.
This is one of those shows that you easily skip while browsing Netflix, but the next time it appears on your screen, you should definitely watch it. So now it's time to place American Vandal in its rightful tier.
Right.
I think it is extremely unmissable because it is one of a kind and you can't miss it.
Well, that's what unmissable means, right?
It does, and so it is unmissable for me. You will not regret watching it.
Well, I think it started off well, but midway it gets a little slow. So I think the rightful category for this show is good but not great.
Okay, I can agree that it does get slow in between. We can call it good, but not great.
So let's put it in the third category.
Okay.
So the next show on the list is Black Mirror. Black Mirror is a one-of-a-kind show. None of the episodes in Black Mirror are interrelated to each other.
The show is so unique that every episode takes you into the future and shows you your potential life where technology has taken over us. So shall we go ahead and place Black Mirror in its rightful place?
Let's do that.
Ready? I think the show is completely unmissable because the kind of technology they show that has taken over us is truly mind-blogging.
I think it is good but not great, and I'll tell you why. Okay, so not all episodes are up to the mark. Some episodes, I agree, are great.
But you have to agree, I mean the concept of the show and how relatable it is, how we can imagine our future.
But why couldn't they make all the episodes at that same level?
But it happens.
Some episodes are really bad.
But that is the case in every show. Every season is not the same, yet we watch it.
Yeah, but
I mean, how can we forget Game of Thrones? I think it is unmissable and you should go and watch it.
Well, I still think it is good but not great.
Okay, I think I can agree that not all episodes are the same. But it does have an effect and I think you should still watch it. It is...
Yeah, you can watch some of the episodes.
Okay, so let's just put it in good but not great. The next show that we'll be discussing is... I don't think it needs any introduction, but it is Breaking Bad.
So I think both of us would agree and have no doubts where the show should be placed.
Hopefully we agree to it. Are you ready?
Yeah. Evergreen.
Absolutely. This show, which was released in 2008 and is still so fresh, I think it is one of the biggest gems that you have in television today.
I think this is the best show that I've ever watched.
Absolutely. So let's place it in the rightful place. Breaking Bad is an evergreen show.
Next show on the list is Broadchurch. So again, Broadchurch is a type of show which not many people have heard about. It is one of the most underrated shows that exist on Netflix.
Absolutely.
And I think it is one of those shows which is super bingeable.
Yeah. So shall we put it
in
the rightful place? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay.
Come on, man. After all that description I just gave.
I think it is, so my personal opinion is that the show is good You can definitely binge watch it, but it does get slow. I love the first season of
Where
it.
did it get slow?
It does. I mean, I personally love the first season, but it just does not do that for
Yeah,
me.
yeah. Now I realize that the first season was the best and it got slow in the second and third season.
Yeah, so they have this pattern where the show begins very powerfully and then it slows down, but it ends on a cliffhanger. So that's why it's a good show, but it's not that great.
Okay, I would agree to that.
So let's place it in its rightful category.
Okay.
So coming up next on the list is Dark. Dark is definitely one of those shows that takes a while to understand, but once you've gotten the hang of it, it is truly unmissable.
Well, if I speak for myself, I think it was quite hard to understand for me. And I had to read a lot from various articles, watch a lot of YouTube videos to understand it. Then it finally got into my mind, and I think it was very interesting.
Yes, I think most of us have felt the same way, but if you haven't and you've understood in one go, I think you've really cracked it. So, are you ready to place?
Yeah.
Definitely unmissable. The show will stay with you for a very long time.
So next show on the list is Fargo. Fargo is a type of show that if you are into crime and detective shows, you must watch this one. The casting and the entire plot of the show is spot on. And I think this show definitely deserves a watch.
So, shall we place it?
Yeah. Come on. This is a classic show.
Actually, you know what? I think I will change my answer to unmissable because the show was pretty great and I think it
So
really
why
is
did
unmissable.
you do that in the first place?
I think that okay, we can move on and place it at unmissable.
So the next show on the list is Mindhunter. Mindhunter is a show which is not for everyone. I'll just give a brief description about the show. So there are two detectives who belong to a special FBI branch. So what they do is they visit various prisons and they study the minds of various criminals that have committed some brutal murders. So that is the plot of the show, and I think after watching the first few episodes you will be able to realize if you want to watch the show or not.
I personally really like the psychological angle because it gives you an insight on why the criminals have committed the crimes that they've committed.
So let's do it.
Yes, let's do it.
Okay. Great.
Definitely we agree to this one. This show is definitely unmissable. The next on the list is Money Heist. Money Heist is Netflix's...
Gem.
Yeah, we can call it that. We can. Because Money Heist got quite the review when it first released.
I think it is one of the most renowned shows and most talked about show.
Yeah, definitely. Shall we place it?
Yeah.
I don't think it needs further introduction.
Okay. I don't think that after seeing this, I don't think that we are in love with the show like many other people.
Yeah, for sure. Because the first season was definitely spot on,
Yeah.
but then it becomes a little repetitive. So I think we can definitely place it in the right spot.
Well, okay. I see what you did there. But okay, I don't care about the show.
Neither do I as much.
So the next show on the list is Ozark. If you like Breaking Bad, you'll definitely enjoy this one too. It is a show which has everything that Breaking Bad kind of had, like money laundering, drugs, Mexican
Mafia.
cartels.
Yeah, and also some bits of family drama.
Right. So I think you should definitely give this one a watch. I really like this show. It is one of my favorites.
Personally, it is one of my favorites, so hopefully we'll agree to this one. Shall we?
Yeah.
Definitely unmissable. We can't argue about this show. This is one of the hidden gems and you should definitely watch it.
Also, I think it could have been an evergreen show, but we have Breaking Bad sitting at that spot, and we, cannot really, no show can really compete with Breaking Bad.
But this one is close.
Yeah.
Next on the list is Riverdale.
Ew!
Riverdale is Riverdale is a high school drama, although the show has a lot of bits that should not be a part of high school. But this one is a mixed package and it's quite popular, although I don't know why.
No idea.
Oh well. Karma's a bitch.
Okay.
Let's just rate it. I think that will be enough.
I don't know why it is there on the list.
Shall we?
Yeah. Definitely. Trash.
Yeah, we're not a big fan of the show.
Stay away from
And
the show.
you must. So the next show on the list is Stranger Things. It is one of those shows which has a mixed package of sci-fi, family drama, friendship, and bits of comedy.
Yeah, the entire show is driven by a bunch of kids.
Yes, and I think it is extremely binge-worthy.
So this show has gained a lot of popularity, and I think it has deserved that popularity.
I think I agree with it. So shall we?
Yeah.
Absolutely binge-worthy. This show should not be missed.
So the next show on the list is True Detective. So if you are into detectives and the mysterious cases that they solve, I think this show is a definite watch.
So shall we just go ahead and place it?
Yeah.
I think the show is good, but it's not that great because I love the first season. It slows down after that.
Yeah, just because of the first season, I think, well, let's say that the first season is unmissable.
Yeah.
The rest two seasons are not that good, okay?
Yeah, but since the majority, we agree to put it at good but not great. So we have come towards the end, and the last show on our list is You. You is one of those peculiar shows where the boyfriend goes around saving the girlfriend from imaginary troubles by killing everyone in the name of love.
Well, I think that guy was the biggest trouble himself for
I
the girls.
agree.
I think that it is one of the most weirdest shows that I came across. But sometimes weird is good.
Yeah, I think that is what makes the show quite binge-worthy. So shall we place it?
Yeah.
Come on, I think the show is unmissable because of its peculiarity. It'll keep you hooked for sure.
Again, I would say that the first season was unmissable, but the last season that I saw was not that good. It was quite repetitive. You could, predict what is going to happen.
Yeah, but it has ended on a cliffhanger and we can't wait for the next season. So I think let's just, what do you say? I mean, come on. It is definitely unmissable.
Yeah, for the first season, I'll give it to you. Okay.
Alright, so there it goes.
Okay. So now we have come to an end of the tier list. You can have a look of where all the shows have been placed.
So with this, we've come to the end of our tier list and also the end of our banter.
If you think that we have done injustice to any of the shows in the list, do comment below and tell us. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like and definitely subscribe to the channel, and we'll keep bringing you more such content.
Also make sure to check out other videos on our channel for more movies and show recommendations.